Okay, for web development today is supposed to be, what day is it? May 6th, 2022, Friday, but it's past midnight, so, but whatever. We're gonna do another grade, I think. I don't know. Whatever I feel like doing. Sometimes I just keep on going, but we'll see. I don't bother doing the head. I mean, I'm really only interested in front end right now and trying to excel in that, so yeah, and I'm in CodePen, so it's not like I need to link to CSS or JS file. Well, JS you would do it in the body, CSS you would do it in the head, but it's already here. Anyway, okay, so we're gonna start with div class container. I mean that I know of, I'm not sure. Okay, what was I gonna do? Oh yeah, so I'm in the container, I'm gonna have a card, and the card, I think I'm just gonna do a thumbnail. I really don't feel like doing a lot right now. I'm gonna do card 1 and I'm just gonna copy and paste this. So 2, why does it copy and paste so ugly? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna do something longer. 7. What? Why is it like that? 7, 8. Nope. 8. 9, 10. I should have done 9, 6, 3, 6, 9, yeah. Okay. So the container, just so you can see it, I'm gonna give a border black solid. It's not gonna have a height because I didn't give it a height. So if we give it a height of 100 vertical height of the screen, it's gonna look like that. I'm going to give it a margin of like 50 pixels so there's space around it, more space around it. And then the card, which is inside, I'm going to give each card a border of 5 pixels red solid so you can see them. Right now they are on top of one another, so if I go to the container and give it a display of grid, that's going to do nothing. But if actually it's going to do something, well, because it's already in a, what do you call it, together, but generally it does nothing if you have nothing inside it. Grid template columns, we're gonna do 3, so we're gonna do repeat 3 1FR, so it's basically 3 columns that are equally sized. I'm gonna do a grid gap so there's space between each card. I'm gonna do like 2 EM, and for each card I'm gonna give it a height of, I don't know, like, honestly, do I even want to give it a height? I think I'm gonna leave it like that. I really like how it is. I always do like large heights because sometimes I just want to chill, you know? Just do something small. I'm gonna go to Unsplash to pick some images out, and that's what I'm gonna do. And while that loads, I'm gonna do card hover. Oops. So dot card hover, and while it hovers, I need whoa. Forgot colon. Okay, I need it to be positioned relative to the card and just move -2 pixels from that position. So from the top. So now, you know, when you hover over it, it looks like this, like it hovers. Okay. So where do we want to go today? Digital nomad. Okay, let's go featured. What does that even mean? Oh my god, never mind. I don't like this. It's too real. No, too real too. I need something that strains from reality, abstract, something crazy. Textures and patterns. Actually, you know what I want to do? I want to do books. Oh, never mind. These books are ugly. Actually, no, yeah, they're ugly. How about... I don't want to do travel. Arts and culture. Okay, I want to do... Oh, I can't do landscape. Oh, Jesus Christ, what is this? Maybe history? Oh, yes. This is really good. Okay, this is perfect. Okay, let me do hand sanitizer break. I put too much. It's gonna take 5 hours. Okay, so right click, copy image address, and for each card, right, I'm gonna give it a background. Excuse me, URL, just have that there, and I'm gonna give it a background position, no, background size of cover, and we'll see what else later on. Let me just paste this in and just copy this there for the other cards, paste this in here, move it in there, and change for card 1. I'm gonna do card 2. Oh, I never changed it over here in the HTML. So card 1, card 2, card 3, card 4, card 5, 6, 7. Whoa. 7. Nope, not 17. 7, 8, 9. Okay, back up here. So card 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. What happened? Oh, 3, 2, and then 1. Okay. Let's get another image. Oh my god, I love these images. They're so pretty. They're so like retro. We love that. Oh, this is beautiful. Copy image address. Put that in there. Copy image address. Put that in here. Copy image address. Put that for card 4. Copy image address. Card 5. I want to go back to the other one. I saw one with a group of people at a table. I thought that was really cool. I lost it now. Oh well. This is really nice. I'm gonna have to do a background position on that one. Whoa. I cannot believe I just lost it. Oh, here it is. This is the one. I love that. Copy image address. Copy image address. Oh, this is the one. Copy image address. Did I miss a card? I think I missed a card. Oh. Okay, so let's see what we have to do now. For card 2, I have to fix the background position. So let's do background position. Let's do bottom, or maybe we could do center. I don't know which one's better. Center? No. Okay, let's do bottom, but can we do like from the bottom 20 pixels? It's not gonna do anything. Bottom center. Center bottom? Oh, is it already like that? Oh, I thought the image was cut. Okay, I guess. Okay, I guess then. But I guess we could still do background position and get whatever is left of that image. Okay. This one's fine. This one's fine. The second to last one, which is 8, I needed to have background position of bottom Did I spell it right? Position. There we go. And then maybe this one too. That doesn't really do anything. It doesn't matter. Okay, let me go to each card. I'm gonna remove the border, but I'm gonna give it a border radius of 5 pixels so that they don't look so sharp. So they look kind of very nice, really nice. I'm gonna get rid of the border of the container. Why did the images just become blurry? Okay, and I think, let me see, I think I saved a nice gray color on my Instagram. Why would gray colors appear on my Instagram, you ask? No, I don't know. Hold on, let me go to my saved. My phone's about to die. Okay, web design. Where to find though? 8 tips for dark mode design. Dark gray. Okay, found it. So I'm gonna try and see. Okay, I can do background. Oh no, sorry. I mean body. Background. Let's see if this color is actually nice. Hashtag 333333. I hate these colors. I really do. I feel like nothing is just, I don't know. I don't like it. Okay, how about light gray, hex code. And then I'll do a background here with pure white. Ew, never mind. That's just not cute. That's still absolutely really ugly. Okay, how about I do container, right? Why doesn't it have a padding? 20 pixels. Yeah. I think this is fine. What do you think? I think it's good. Let me save it. Debug mode, look at it this way. It's fine. Only thing is, if I do this, would it be responsive? No, so we have to fix that real quick. I'm gonna go all the way down. Let me add a media query. So media, max width. I don't know what to put here. Ow. Okay, 800 pixels. Ew. Okay, container. Is it container? I think. I don't even know. Grid template. Columns. And let's do 1FR. We only have 3, right? So let's do 2 when it hits 800 and see if that works. When does it ever hit 800, man? Then come on. Okay, 1,200. Can we make up our minds? Okay, good. And then once it hits like, I don't know, then maybe 800 pixels, we could do 1FR, but I don't think even then, like let's do 600. So like 1 column when it hits. Really? Where are we? Okay, how about 200 since it wants to be like that? Wait, am I doing something wrong? Is it supposed to be higher, like 900 pixels? Of course it's supposed to be higher, sorry. So smart. Ew. Oh, it's like that because I didn't give the cards a height. Doesn't that suck? That sucks. So for the card, once 800 pixels, I want the card to have a height of, let's say, 150 pixels maybe? Let's see what that looks. Ew. Pixels, not PCs. That's really ugly, but okay. 270 pixels, how about that? I always do 270, but don't they look bigger? I guess this is fine. Oh my god, and I forgot, okay, the container now we can say the height can be the min content, period. Are you kidding me? What did I do now? Oh, the min content? Height min content. Why can't it just... I'm just so annoying. Okay, how about I just do 800 VH then? I'm so annoying. Actually, I'll keep it as... Why is it like that? Oh, it's because I didn't give it a height. I didn't give them... Oh my god, I'm so annoyed. What if I did give them a height? What if I go and give them... What if I go over here and just give them all a height? Regardless. And then I take away and I do min content, then it won't disappear. Right? There we go. See? But I just didn't want to give them a height. I liked them how they were. But I guess we could do maybe 250. I like that better. There we go. And then if we do that, the container will still be there. And I think that's really beautiful. That's really nice. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I'm just gonna do a grid because, yeah, that's what I'm good at. That's all that I'm good at. I don't know. It's not that I don't know anything else. It's just that I haven't practiced enough. You know what I mean? Everything else. I've been doing grid basically since I started logging these on Notion. Like, literally. Okay, yeah, so that's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna log it. You can stop watching here, not if you're... No one literally watches it. It doesn't matter. It's literally just me who watches them. Just to remember what I did. Add cover. Link to result. Was it this? Is this saved? Can I close it? Okay. Can I close it? I'm so scared if it doesn't save. Okay, 291, that's the code. This is the result. Tags? Grid. When do I do anything different? Grid gap. Display grid. Isn't that wonderful? Display grid. Okay, productive day, I guess. I mean, productive day, if it looks visually pleasing, that is productive. Responsive grid. Series, grids, responsive. It's not that basic. Centering, well, it is centered, kind of. Card UI. It is a way of centering divs by giving it a margin of 50 pixels, or you could use display flex, whichever you feel is best. Web development template, change cover. I didn't take a screenshot yet, so let me do that. I cannot believe it's 3 AM. Okay, download that. Upload. Choose an image. I can't believe I ate my brownie. Download this one. Please, please, please go in. Thank you. Sometimes it's too big of a file to go through. Okay, let me delete this. I didn't use any materials. Unless I did the color, but that's in the code bin. Okay, anything else? No, that's it. Okay, that's it for today. Bye!